Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
How to remove duplicate rows? Very simple, straightforward. Two ways. You can go to Data Tools, Remove Duplicates. We'll go to Data Tools, Remove Duplicates. We want to highlight the range. They remove duplicates, select all, okay, and it just removed all the duplicates. Another way, you can grab this information and you can insert a duplicate icon up in the quick access toolbar. Up here, I have remove duplicates. Duplicates are gone. That's how you remove duplicates. I want to show you one other thing we can do. Let's Control Z and Control Z. Grab both of the data here. Let's go to remove duplicates, and you can see here, you have options. The question is, do you want to delete the duplicates in column C? Unselect all, column C. What it did is it removed the duplicates in J. That's not what we want. If your intent is only to remove the duplicate in one column, highlight the single column. If it's multiple columns, any information, put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I highlight this data, I hit remove duplicates, this information here, you'll see the 1, 2, 3 will stay, but the 4, 5, 6 will be deleted. Remove duplicates. We'll go unselect all and we'll go hit C. It removed that 4, 5, 6 and kept the driver. Why? Everything else was a duplicate, and then everything to the right is removed. Hit Control Z. Here's another what if. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, A and C. Watch what happens here. If we highlight this range and we hit remove duplicates and we leave the 3 choices enabled and we hit OK, well, wait a minute, you want to get rid of drivers, but we're moving duplicates. Reverse this. You can see there's a duplicate here. You can see 4, 5, 6. We have a duplicate and duplicate. We have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. A is separate and C is separate. So to remove the duplicates, row 16, this range here, 16 is a duplicate of 13 and 15 is a duplicate. 24 is not a duplicate because A is separate and C is separate. Just keep that in mind. If you want to delete this information, this data here in column D and E will be separate. If we want to delete just the duplicates here, just highlight the area, remove duplicates. Now 4, 5, 6 is realigned with plumber, and maybe that's not what you wanted. If you remove duplicates, you have data in another row, it'll be offset. Work with this. Find some data, just delete it, and you're going to see the rearrangement when you remove duplicates. The next question you ask is, well, what about this? This is kind of a mess. I'll show you how to fix this in another session.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime.